Hi, this is Allie, and I'm super excited to tell you about this new trimmer. This is called the Ballber, and this is by a company called Happy Nuts. And I saw this product and thought I definitely have to give that one a try. For transparency, they sent this to me free of cost. However, it never affects my review. This is quite a tool to have in your arsenal for hair trimmers, and this is super awesome. I have to show you everything it comes with. First of all, this is how it arrived in this package here. I think it's super cool. It gives you some instructions on the back. It has the trimmer. It has 3 different size guards, 1, 3, and 5. It has the charging plug, and this is the little brush that it comes with as well. It's an exceptional tool that they've put together, and I had to give it a try. I was so excited to use it. Some of the things I think are so awesome about it is it's a really hardy, easy to hold tool. So I shaved my legs with this in the shower, and it was really easy to use. It's completely waterproof. I love that. Anyone knows it's hard to shave in the shower. And so to have something that really has a good grip on it is super awesome. I also love that this blade, it shaves really close to the skin, and it doesn't nick, and it doesn't cause ingrown hairs. And both of those things I thought were incredibly exceptional. I am gonna turn it on for you so you can hear the sound of it. It's actually quite quiet for a shaver, and I thought that that was super awesome. You can put it right up against your skin without concern for any nicks or any issues. I love that. I have teenagers. I feel really confident knowing that it can get the job done, and if they move too much, everything is still gonna be okay. I really love this tool. This would be an amazing Christmas present if you're looking for a Christmas present like this or something to put in their stocking. These are awesome. They work incredibly well. I love the safety features of this product. I love the function of it. I love that it's completely waterproof. It feels great against my skin, and I got a really close shave, and I'm just really impressed with how well this works. I absolutely give this a 5 out of 5, and that's my honest review.